Can we cook in this cookware? And what is this cookware made of? Yes, you can cook any dishes in this cookware. It's called Soapstone. It's also called as Kalchatti, Rathichippa, Kalmaruge in the southern languages. What can be cooked in Soapstone cookware? Any kind of dishes can be cooked in this most versatile Soapstone cookware, be it vegetarian, non-vegetarian, citric, non-citric, any food can be cooked in it. This cookware is heavy, so would it not consume more fuel and would it not take more time to cook? Absolutely no. Soapstone heats evenly, cooks the food evenly, and it takes 15% lesser time to cook your food. In fact, after your stove is switched off, it cooks for 8 to 10 minutes. Is it difficult to maintain this vessel after cooking? No, it is very simple like every other vessel. After cooking, leave it in your sink and wash it regularly like every other vessel. What are the benefits of cooking in a Soapstone cookware? Number 1, food is tasty and aromatic. Number 2, it kills harmful germs. Number 3, Soapstone is rich in iron and magnesium. It imparts those minerals into the food cooked in it. Number 4, it retains more than 95% of nutrients and micronutrients of the food cooked in it. How long will the Soapstone cookware last? It actually lasts for generations if maintained well. In fact, I have at my house a 80-year-old Soapstone cookware passed down from my grandmother. Should Soapstone cookware be seasoned or is it pre-seasoned? This is the unseasoned one and this is the seasoned one as you see here. Soapstone cookware has to be seasoned before it is used because it is not exposed to heat. How do you season it? It is very simple. Take castor oil and turmeric, apply it all over the cookware inside and outside. Leave it aside for 4 to 5 days. Then fill it up with starch water. In low flame, bring it to a boil and switch it off. Repeat this process for 4 to 5 days and your cookware is ready to be used. What are the precautions one should know after you season a Soapstone cookware? Do not do direct tadka in it or sauteing in it at least for 10 to 15 uses. After that, pour oil into the vessel before you keep it on the stove. Otherwise, you can use it for anything and everything.